Hi friends and followers, welcome back to my channel. So this place is a place that is so dear to me and to my friends and colleagues, and is one of the most recognizable places out here in the Solomon Islands. This is Tetepare Island. It is very special and unique due to its conservation value both in the marine and terrestrial areas. Right now, I'm on this trail that leads from the research station's office up to the accommodation areas, the bungalows, or what we like to call them, eco lodges. Loga. Okay. Oh, sawa blue na le. So
this is Tetepare Lodge.
okay.
Yeah. This is a leaf hut. Come in, let's have a look. Very simple. No.
Good morning, neighbors. Now, Tetepare, ready for breakfast.
So the team just finished with our bed watching, and this place is just full of birds. You can view, or you can see, like maybe at least 20 species in just a small area here. So our colleagues were just done with the bird watching. It was very interesting because we could see few birds that you hardly see very close in other areas, but because here on Tetepare it's a conservation area, and so we saw these birds up close, very close, like the song parrot, and the Rendover white eye, or the subspecies Tetepare white eye, and other birds as well. So yeah, it was worth it, and now we are ready to go have our breakfast. So now heading to the Eatery on Tetepare. So we are here to have a breakfast. Yeah, so after having a breakfast, then we'll head down to Lokuru village down at the mainland of Rendover Island. All right. Hello. Breakfast time, eh? So you know karena basket tu sini? Lo. Oh, yeah. Point of no return. Aaron, wake up, come go ahead around bed watch mo. Okay. So, hena bell blotana. Heme. So, this is what you use to call people for breakfast. That's it. And then, yeah. So, this is the table set, already set. All right. So this is the Eatery, guys. Welcome to Tetepare White Eye Eatery, or siokoli in the mother tongue. That's the white eye bird. And then see all those corals, just for decoration here on the table. Yeah. And then you see as our team members.
Everything is safe. And a safe project.
So how? How you say ke? Eri gang na leya. Bisa hena place where you catch good internet na liya. Point liya na okay. Breakfast it na.
Breakfast, this bun, best ever bun. Everything is safe.
Pancake in
And a safe project.
combination of maple syrup. You look at that. Cihara ocean ikan ulit ya.
Cukup na ba? Breakfast. Breakfast itu Tetepare.
Nanti ba bite-bite?
Dia na bite.
Lepot.
Kaya enjoy pa na po. No elmo ni.
Ano pot?
Pot. Makan sige pot. Pot house.
So here we are on the Tetepare Trail between the accommodation and the dining hall. Nice walking trail. But the highlight here this morning has been all the birds we saw. The endemic Tetepare white-eye, Tilinopus viridens, the claret-breasted not grounder but dove, the song parrot, man, song parrot, yeah. And but calm down, it came all the way down, like really close to us. That is so rare. We don't not often see the song parrot that low. But one thing interestingly, the song parrot may have replaced the coconut lorikeet here. That behavior of song parrot, yeah, and behave of some coconut lorikeet.
Oh.
Yeah, but in the absence of that coconut lorikeet, maybe the song parrot can come in low down.
Feel the niche.
Yeah, no coconut lorikeet and no rainbow lorikeet. So the beautiful and spectacular song parrot with a yellow head and a emerald green body, yeah, came down close. Tetepare too good. Come to Tetepare to bird watch.
Too much.
That's it. Ready to go back to next year.
We are heading to Lokuru next. Bangopingo, Vancouver village on Lokuru. Bangopingo. So we are ready to depart from this beautiful paradise. So this is the view, guys, from the balcony of one of the lodge here. And then you can see the reefs. They normally do the tetol activity, rodeoing there. And then nara tetol na here.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Don't forget them. Double check. Last check. Yeah. Let's go.
So yeah. Oh, somebody is taking the bird life here. Just see. Oh, for nest. Knob-billed, red-knobbed pigeon. Photo blue, we steal photos inside, never. Geoffrey's Heteroclitus, that's the song parrot. That's one of the highlights this morning. It came down very low on these Phalanthus trees. Yeah, these trees like this one.
What kind of tree is this one here?
Phalanthus.
Para too good na. Nara green. Container mo lang ko.
I saw.
Oh, okay.
But no good big one, come on.
I'm not this one.
Oh, okay. Container.
Sakit karang gorang green one na. This here is the Tetepare signboard. This is the old sign with the American Museum of Natural History logo and MacArthur Foundation. One time Chris Filadi have not found them suffer activity here in the early 2000s, mid 2000s, 2006, 7 or so. Yeah, so I'm not AMNH sign still here. AMNH is long gone. MacArthur Foundation is long gone, but the memories still linger on. Okay,
It's a new jetty.
ready for, yeah, loading boat now, ready to board the boat. And
What?